Welcome students. In this video, I'll be talking about how to find the derivative of, we're gonna do dy of sine square y cos 2y. Okay, so first things first, for this particular example, we're gonna use the chain rule and the product rule Okay, so let's compute with so since we're gonna use because we have a product of two functions here, so we're going to compute both derivatives for the sine square y and cos square y. So let's do that separate. So dy of sine square y. So what is that? So we're gonna we're gonna do substitution. So we're gonna let dy of u square, and that's gonna be equal to 2, and then u becomes sine square y times the derivative. Now we're using the chain rule times the derivative of the inside of the u, so that is equal to sine y. So we're gonna have derivative of sine is cos y. So that's the first step. Now the second step is to find this derivative here. So that would be dy of cos square y. So that's gonna be using the same method, using the chain rule. We're gonna do dy of u square, and this time we're doing cosine. So we're gonna do 2 cos square y and times the derivative. Because of the chain rule, we're gonna do the derivative of the inside, which is derivative of cos y. That's gonna be, so we're gonna put a negative at the front, and then we're gonna do sine y. Now we're going to, so now that we know, we're gonna use the product rule. So product rule, so derivative of the first, that's gonna be 2 sine square y cos and I'm sorry, this here should have been, because when I took out when I did the power rule, this should have come out. So that was actually, I made a mistake. So it should have been 2 sine and cosine here. So let's continue. Okay, so now is to continue. So that will be 2 sine y cos y. And now the derivative, now we're gonna multiply it times cos square y, and we're gonna do plus, and then we're gonna do, so we're gonna keep sine square y, and then we'll multiply it times the other derivative of cos square. So that's gonna be, so we're gonna do minus cos y sine y. Then to simplify further, so we probably will be done by then, by here. But let's simplify even further in case you want to know how to do it. So what we can do, notice that we have a sign, we have, oh, and then I forgot the 2 here. So it will be 2 at the front, minus 2. Okay, so we can do, we can take out the 2, the sine, and the cos, because we have it on both places. So we can take out a 2, sine y cos y, and then in parentheses, we're going to be left with cos square y minus sine square y. And then the final step is to notice that this here is equal to cos squared minus sine squared. That's equal to cos 2y. And now this here, the beginning part is going to be equal to, that is another formula. So we're going to do sine of 2y. So using those trigonometric identities, we're going to do, so the final answer is going to be sine 2y multiplied by cos 2y. And that will be our final answer. So we notice we use the chain rule and the product rule. Those were the main things we use for this derivative, to find this derivative. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so we can keep this going. Thank you very much.